foot, chicken neck, turkey neck, dumpling, chocho from the yard, Irish, red peas, sweet pepper, scotchy, turkey neck.
Wait there.
Turkey neck.
Please like the video. May I wait?
Welcome to Blue Mountain Kitchen with these kids and friends. They're wildlife adventurers, grateful harvesters of Mother Earth. Journey with them on various adventures where they cook up a storm and produce mouth-watering dishes that will make you lick your fingers. To join the adventure, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out.
Welcome back to another video. Today we are making some red peas soup. And right now, we have some turkey neck in the pot and some red peas. As you can see, the peas done cook and thing. So I take out them set of meat here and take out, just meat them alone, you know what I mean? We get out the meat them out of the pot. Because we are getting some chicken foot and some other meat in the pot. So just stay tuned and go and watch the process. Here so we have some chicken neck and some chicken foot well clean up and thing. Chicken back and chicken breast and them something there night. I don't know. The combination pot. You have everything clean up in this. Chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back, chicken breast. And you see, we take out the turkey neck out of the pot. So remember to like the video and share the video. And subscribe if you're new. Go ahead and get in the chicken foot and the chicken neck and the chicken breast and chicken back in the pot. Let them boil and cook and thing. Don't know, we have to take out the turkey neck out of the pot because the soup is small.
Yeah, so just watch them. Cut them up and out.
Right, that I know. Checking out put them out now. Kind of change the pot a while ago, that's how you see it looks now. But I go ahead and get in the chocho them, yam, Irish, off camera. Look. I get in some more yam in the pot. Some renta, right? Or Sylvin's. Sylvin's, I can't see in the pot. Look at that. Food in a pot there, you know. Look at that story. Wow. Can't see in the pot so good. I can't see chicken foot. It again. Yeah man, chicken foot, you see. Yellow yam, white yam, chicken meat, chicken breast. That one I go bad.
Turkey neck.
Or turkey neck. I put him back the turkey neck now. And then dumpling. Not yet. No cook yet. Put it in this here, the turkey neck. Get him back the turkey neck in the pot. Go right now. Get the next door. Now I get in some seasoning in the pot. Can I season that?
To the bone.
Season to the bone. where I can barely see now pot. You can now say pot almost full. Oh, I have some natural season. Then we're not going in still, but me I go and prep. I have some skillet and thyme, garlic, sweet pepper, hot pepper, and what is in this? And some thyme. Now we are getting little salt in our pot. Salt in our pot, you know. I mean, I go and prep some season, some natural season for the pot. Boy, chicken foot and the turkey in it, they look good. Go ahead and get me some dumpling now. Right. Go and drop in dumpling. Red pea soup rich. Rich alive. Well, I can barely see now, but I will mold it up, I can barely see. Some spinners are roll and drop in here now. Roll and drop in spinners in a pot. What you mean? People in the comment below if you don't know what name spinners. You need pot of stir.
No, each on.
No, each on, yes. I'll put it more water.
No, this is water. Water.
Check him on the soup fast before it starts steam up the camera. Dumpling for days. And meat for days. Soup for days. Feel alright. No man, some feel alright. Yo, that's bad. The soup feel alright. The soup look alright. Right now we are going ahead and take out the Sylvan Siam out of the pot because it's a mash up. I don't know Sylvan Siam as the water boil 2 times so then they start mash out in the pot. So I get them out until when the soup are sheer, right? Am I right?
Sip.
Until you sip, I sip it name?
Soup, but them some of them call it sip.
Well, a soup, you know it a soup it has stairs. Chicken foot look cook already. The pot look airy.
Food for days in I soup.
That's a food for days?
Lot of food.
Yes, about 1 month now I eat soup. No, more than that.
My yam last in iPad.
Last?
I can mash out.
You go for GPS tracker. Find the
See there? This mash out.
that mash out. Soup for days. Can I get in the skeleton?
I'll make the flour boil.
Alright. Right about now, I get in natural seasoning in it. Along with some scotchy, you know. That is it. Right about now, I get into roast and noodle in a pot. And I can't show the roast and noodle one place. If you did it, I'll try stir it now, stir. To roast and I pot in The rooster don't want to fly out tonight. That is it. What do you say? The pot rich. But I like to cook in a bank. Aroma of the pot is bad. Soup for days. Soup for days. Turkey neck. Chicken foot. Around itself, man. Turkey neck. Or chicken neck. Chicken neck. Scotchy. The natural seasoning, we get in sweet pepper, skeleton and thyme, garlic, scotchy, sweet pepper, bell pepper. I know the soup wicked. The soup is nice. I'll close it down there.
Is it?
Let's see on the soup. Soup look nice. I'll taste on that chicken foot now. Tell them I'm going to feed. Oh, put it in a bowl. One chicken foot over here. One chicken foot over here. One chicken foot over here. No soup, that's a chicken foot. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, got taste it too. Soup look nice, you know, guys. If only you could smell it through the phone. Guys, make sure to thumbs up the video, you know. Like the video, guys, and share it to that friend. If you don't want to see more nice content like this, you know, guys. Food for days. I'm put one turkey neck in my mind. Alright, that is it. Alright, guys, so right now, it's about now. I have one dumpling on my plate. And I have one chicken foot and a piece of turkey neck. I use my hand enough, I don't know. I hard me there. It's hot. It's hot. Are they meat me that take up with my hand? Thanks. Dive in the dumpling. Dumpling bad. So I want to feed. It's turkey neck. So now I want. Turkey neck tastes like it pressure. Well soft. Extra soft. Guys, just one watch the process. I check in. When I get my official bowl of soup, and I go in it, you know. I a full jar in my bowl of soup. While on the mouth just a water, you know. That is it. Just stay tuned and go and watch the process. I kind of catch the soup part when it on a late start in terms of video and thing. Because I did a road. But I still give thanks that I can catch the soup still. And I still get a chance to make a local video. You don't know. The video have to drop see me, I have to catch piece of the video see me, I have to show how I go on. So guys, right now, pot land, you know, guys. See my one here? So now I go and feed to Sylvinson. So I feel here so. Freshly dig from the farm above my yard. My stepfather farm. Put chicken neck, turkey neck, dumpling, chocho from the yard, Irish, red peas, sweet pepper, scotchy, turkey neck. Okay. Turkey neck. Guys, my taste right now. A super slappy. Well rich. Look at that. Well rich and thick, guys. No water to all that. Soup solid. Nice. Look at that. Guys, right now I'm going out now. Soup nice. Guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, guys, if you like the video. So here you are. Remember to subscribe if you're new and turn on the post notification bell so you never miss out on the adventure then. Come, here's a sip of soup. Soup for days. At 30. Chicken foot, turkey neck, chicken neck, spinners, yam, Irish dumpling, turkey neck, chicken neck, chocho, Sylvin's yam. Food for days. That is it. Guys, some more adventure come up and some challenge and thing. We reach 1K subscriber, we go have one big cookout and one challenge. Probably before, well, yeah. One challenge, $1,000 challenge that will come up. When we reach 1K subscriber. So just do the do. Blessings. Thanks for watching.